Welcome to this Note course. In this menu lesson, we're going to learn about the help options. Go ahead and make sure Note is open. Go ahead and click on your menu. That's the three black lines in the lower left corner. Clicking on Help, you will see you have four options. The bottom option is About. This will tell you which version of the Note software you're currently using. To get out, just click outside of that box. Opening up your menu option again, clicking on Help. This is where you have Update. You can click Update to see if there's any updates available. The system will automatically go out and check. It will let you know it's the current version or there is an update available. To get out, just click outside the box or click the check. Go ahead and open the menu again, click Help, and click Activate Product. If you're using a fully integrated PC, the software is automatically activated when it's connected to the ClearTouch Interactive Panel. If you are using an external PC and have downloaded the software, as long as that PC is connected to the ClearTouch Interactive Panel, your software is activated. If it is not connected, you lose some functionality, but here you could, by purchasing an additional license, you could activate the software by typing in your code. I'm going to go ahead and click Close. Click the menu option again, click Help. Lastly, the user manual at the very top. I'm going to go ahead and click it. Very often, this will actually just appear right here. You're going to see all of your options down here. So I could scroll down, I could click on any topic, navigate left, right by pages, and then when I'm finished, I can actually click the X, and that will close the user manual. Yes, I want to quit, and now I'm back at Note. This is Note, Menu, Help options.